Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Ganache can be made thin or thick depending on whether your end goal is a dipping chocolate, a pourable cake glaze, or a filling for a whipped cake or truffles. According to the Institute of Culinary Education (ICE), if you want to thicken a runny ganache, simply add more chocolate. 8 January 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
First of all, you can just add a couple of tablespoons of cold cream, double or single, and gently stir it in. That usually corrects the problem. But if you either don't have more cream or don't want to make your chocolate ganache watery, there is another way. 6 February 2021.
Take our lead.
Wrap each truffle ball individually in plastic wrap. This will be your inner wrap, and will protect your outer packaging from soiling through. Once your truffle balls are covered, wrap once more with decorative paper or cellophane, and secure with ribbon or twine.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Adding chocolate, chilling, or whipping ganache. Use a higher chocolate to cream ratio to produce a thicker ganache. Milk chocolate, white chocolate, and compound chocolate all melt down to a thinner consistency than dark chocolate does. For a thicker ganache, like for truffles, use a 2-to-1 ratio of chocolate to cream.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Chocolate truffles, shop-bought truffles should also be kept at the same cool room temperature, away from sunlight and in a dark pantry. But if you've made them yourself using fresh cream, then these need to be stored in an airtight container in the fridge. Never keep it in the fridge as it will spoil. 26 January 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Melt butter in a medium saucepan over low heat. Whisk in cornstarch until combined and melty. If you want the hot chocolate thicker, use the maximum amount of cornstarch. Add in milk and sugar. Once the mixture begins to thicken, turn the heat down to low and add in the chocolate chips. Serve hot.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A good truffle should melt in your mouth, says Saffitz. If you serve them stone cold and straight out of the fridge, you're missing the point. That said, letting them sit at room temperature for hours will render them so soft that you can't pick them up. 10 February 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.